Yo, what's up guys? Andy here with another episode of Tap Lab, and today we're talking all about Twitter dark mode and an update that they've done to dark mode to make dark mode darker. So I have previous videos on this, but in order to enable dark mode, you can swipe to the right here, open up the menu, then down in the bottom left, this will switch between light and dark mode, this little light bulb icon. So that's one way to do it. This is the standard dark mode. It's a little bit blue, but definitely darker than the light mode. The next option that they've just added is that you can go to settings and privacy, and then under the general section, you can tap on display and sound. And then there's a toggle for dark mode to turn on and off dark mode. There's the automatic setting down there. I don't really mess with that. But under dark mode, we now have dim, which is what I'm currently on, and lights out, which is the darker dark mode. So dim, lights out, and personally, I'm liking the lights out version. So that's what I've been using lately. And I think there's still a little bit of a blue tint. Maybe not, I don't know. But it's definitely darker. So that's what I've been rocking. There's how to turn on and off the new Twitter dark mode and darker dark mode, lights out mode, whatever. And at this point, I think it should be standard for apps to have dark mode. Honestly, light mode just like burns my eyeballs out. So I rock dark mode on everything that I can. And there you have it. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications, drop a like on this video, all that good stuff. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay, don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard, go hard, go hard. You might win. Don't blame your problems on the past.